Hi everyone, this is my concept presentation. I'm going to be working with my local church here in Wichita, Kansas, called River Community Church, and I'm going to be helping them upgrade their network to fit with their growing church. So, a little bit about me. My name is Brooke Hager. I am 26 years old. I am graduating from Fort Hays State University in spring of 2021. My degree is going to be a Bachelor's of Science in Information Technology with a concentration on computer networking. After graduation, I plan to get several certifications like a CCNA, which is a Cisco Certified Network Associate, and then the CompTIA A+, which is a certification for IT professionals. I previously received an associate's degree in graphic design in 2018 from Butler Community College. So along with the networking focus, I also have a background in graphic design and web development as well. The client that I'm working with is River Community Church. It's a Baptist church in Wichita, Kansas. There's about 1,000 members. Right now they're going through a whole building renovation and they need a new technology infrastructure. So they are expanding the square footage and they have all the walls opened up and everything right now. So they decided that the best time to upgrade the network would be right now when we can just run the cables. They don't have any dedicated IT professional, so I'm going to be helping them with that. Some of the broad project details, as I stated before, the church is growing, gaining square footage, so their previous network isn't going to cover the whole thing anymore. So we want to provide infrastructure for the growing tech needs of the church. We're going to be sourcing new network equipment for them to use. We're going to map out and install that equipment where it needs to go. And then we're going to test everything and ensure that it all works smoothly together. Some specifics of the project are we want to source and install new wireless access points. Right now, all of the wireless network is running off of wireless access points. So the church wants to get all new wireless access points so they'll all work together and install them in a way that there is network coverage throughout the whole building. We need to source and install a new switch because the previous switch has 16 ports and all those ports are being used up right now. It also doesn't provide any power to any of the network devices over Ethernet cables, so we need to get a new switch that will power those devices. Then we need to configure the new devices to work together on the network and configure and run cable to all the old wired devices. Some values to the client. We're going to provide network access for the growing building so that they, like I said before, can have Wi-Fi throughout the whole building without any dead spots. I'm going to be installing the new switch with more ports and providing power to the wireless access points over Ethernet cables because right now they have a separate device to power all of the wireless access points and they just really want to have the switch do everything. So that's going to be some of the value that we're going to provide to the client. I'm really looking forward to working on this project and getting this experience. So thank you for listening to my presentation.